Today, we'll show you how to stake crypto using Bitget Wallet and start earning passive rewards. Try it out today and make every token count. Staking, or earning, is the process of locking up your cryptocurrency to support the operations and security of blockchain networks and earn rewards in return. Bitget Wallet makes staking simple for beginners while offering stable, transparent yield options. On Bitget Wallet, you can choose flexible or fixed-term staking, enjoy competitive yields, and track your earnings in real time. Bitget Wallet offers various types of products that allows users to choose based on their investing appetite. To start, open Bitget Wallet, tap Earn, and choose from the available staking products. Select the token you want to stake, enter the amount, and review the APY. When you're ready, tap Confirm. You can view your daily rewards anytime and redeem your assets directly from the dashboard. If you want a super stable returns, check out Stablecoin Earn Plus, offering up to 10% APY with 24/7 deposit and withdrawal. We made a full video on that earlier. Make sure to check it out. And that's how to stake crypto on Bitget Wallet. Start earning smarter today. Bitget Wallet, crypto for everyone.